Welcome to a review of how to maintain the Manage Educators and the Qualification sections within the Learning Ally Educator Portal. To perform most of the tasks discussed in this video, you must have qualifier and/or administrator role level access. Let's begin by logging into the Educator Portal at www.learningally.org. Select Manage Educators to add new educators, analyze existing educators' usage, edit educators, or deactivate them. Any new educators that should be given access to Learning Ally this school year should be added in the Educator Portal. Type their name, select their school, and the role or roles the educator should be assigned. Type in the educator's email address, select the appropriate job title, and then select Create Educator. The newly added educator will receive a welcome email with their Learning Ally username and a temporary password. Next, review your list to analyze who has logged in, edit, or deactivate educators. An alert icon indicates that an educator has not logged into the Educator Portal. Select the educator's name to edit their profile or deactivate them if they should no longer have access to your Learning Ally Educator Portal.
Coming soon in the new school year, Learning Ally is offering the ability to add or update educators from a file in the Educator Portal. Contact your Implementation Success Manager for more information on data import and how you can give all of your educators access to the Learning Ally audiobook solution.
The next section to review is Qualification. The red notification indicates how many students are waiting to be qualified. An Educator Portal user with the qualifier role should select the appropriate qualification for each student. Choose between reading deficit, blind or visually impaired, or other physical disability. If a student on the qualification list is not eligible for Learning Ally, you should remove them from the list by going to Manage Students, searching for the student, and selecting Archive. If you also have the administrator role in the Educator Portal, you can delete the student and permanently remove them from the list of students pending qualification. Thank you for taking the time to keep your Learning Ally Educator Portal maintained with all the appropriate information for your school.